Okay, we've got a new treat for you. Okay, so we've just made this beautiful tree stand. Big log in the middle, and attached a bunch of little branches to it of different plants and things. So we'll get a reaction and see how she likes it. Okay, what do you think? Oh, you're a bit snoozy. You want to step up? You want to have a look at the tree? This is not going to work. You want to have a look? Okay, put her on there myself. And yeah, she climbed on to have a look at a few leaves. What do you think? Good spot? Yeah. Very nice. Have a look around? No? Well, you got a new place to hang out. Okay. Oh. See you later. Okay, so we tricked her a little bit. Put a little seat bell in there for her. At least she's enjoying it. Yeah, she went in there all by herself.